Hey everyone, Chef Patrick here from Sabroso. Today we're going to do a really simple chili recipe, but packed with a lot of flavor coming from the different chilies that we're going to use. Let's get started. In a large pot, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that pot, we're going to add half a pound of ground beef and half a pound of chorizo sausage. When the meat is nice and brown, we're going to add our onions and our peppers, about 1 cup each, diced onion and green pepper. Then we're going to mix that around and making sure that it's thoroughly incorporated. After about 3 minutes, we're going to add our garlic, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, depending on how much you love garlic, and I love garlic. Give that a quick stir for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add 2 cups of cooked pinto beans along with the cooking liquid. I use dry for this recipe, but you can certainly use the canned pinto beans. Give that a quick stir until the beans are incorporated with the meat and onion mixture. To that, we're going to add 2 cups of crushed tomatoes. Mix the tomatoes until well incorporated. To this, I'm adding 3 different types of chilies today. 3 Guajillo chilies, 1 Pasilla, and 1 Ancho chili. I reconstituted them in hot water and then I blended them in a blender with some of the pinto bean cooking liquid. Now I'm adding that to the pot, about 3 tablespoons, giving that a quick mix. Now we're adding some spices to the fray. Today I'll be using about 6 different spices. We have a cinnamon stick, 1. We have 1 bay leaf. We have about a teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of coriander. We're going to add that to the pot, and then we're going to give that a quick stir, making sure that those spices are evenly incorporated into our chili mixture. Place the lid and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm going to give the chili a quick stir, and I know that I need just a little bit more liquid, so I'm going to add just about a 1/4 cup of chicken stock. You can use water, but I like chicken stock because I want all that flavor. The lid goes back on for an additional 15 minutes, and just like that, our chili is done. I'm going to spoon a generous portion into my bowl because, hey, I'm a hefty guy. And then I'm going to add some toppings, some cheddar cheese. I'm going to use a little dollop of sour cream. And last but not least, a little sprinkling of chopped cilantro. And there you have it, a chili that is definitely sabroso.